Green Duck Dashboard Restorer is a biodegradable product that works great on all vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces by maintaining their original condition and appearance. Its special non-greasy formula leaves a natural shine and keeps all surfaces looking new. Compatible surfaces. Green Duck Dashboard Restorer can be used on dashboards, door panels, center console trays, window trim seals, and door sill guards. How to use it. Before you start, remove any loose dirt or debris from the surface. 1. Take a clean microfiber towel and fold it twice. 2. Spray Green Duck Dashboard Restorer onto the surface and side A of the towel. Then spread evenly on the surface. 3. Flip the towel to side B and wipe the surface dry. That's it. All similar products sold in the market tend to leave the surface oily, which often causes a lot of trouble when the car is exposed to sunlight while you're driving. But Green Duck Dashboard Restorer restores the original showroom shine without leaving an oily mess. In addition, it protects the surface from dangerous UV rays that gradually fade the color of the surface. Its special anti-static formula keeps the surface clean for a long time. At Green Duck, we aim to educate consumers about the fact that they can enjoy a clean car without using harsh chemicals, and while saving enormous amounts of clean water. To learn more about other Green Duck products, visit greenduckindustries.com.